I'm going to get the metro. So, here we go. I'm going to go down the steps into the metro station. You can also say underground station or subway. Or if you're in London, you can say the tube. I'm now in the underground station, or the metro station, and I need to buy a ticket. I'm going to buy a ticket from a ticket vending machine. First of all, I need to select the language. So I'll choose English. Now, with a standard ticket. Okay, and I would like 2 tickets. Okay, so I need to pay €3. I can either pay with cash, with coins, banknotes, or bank cards or credit cards. I'm actually going to use cash, coins. So here we go, I'm going to insert the coins into the slot. And now it didn't go in, so I need to insert it again. And now the machine is printing my ticket. I need to get the ticket out of this compartment. It's going to print another ticket now. So now it's printing a ticket, and there it is. So I'm going to get the ticket out of the compartment. I'm now getting the ticket out of the compartment, and the machine has also given me my change. This is my change. Now I have a metro ticket. See? So now I can go somewhere. I'm going to insert my ticket into the slot and pass through the barriers or the gate. So now I'm inserting my ticket into the slot and passing through the barriers. So I inserted my ticket into the slot and passed through the barriers. Now I can go on a metro. Now I'm going to go down the escalator to the underground platforms. So now I'm going down the escalator. I'm going to walk off the escalator. Now I'm walking off the escalator. I walked off the escalator. I took the escalator down to the metro. Now I'm going to look at the map to see where to go. Now I'm looking at the map to see where I need to go. So I looked at the map to see where I need to go. I'm waiting for the metro. Now I'm going to get on to the metro. Too late, I missed the train, I missed the metro. Never mind, I'll get the next one. I'm going to wait on the platform. I'm waiting on the platform. The train is arriving. So I don't need to wait anymore. I waited on the platform. The train is coming now. Here it is. Here's the metro. I'm going to get on. I'm going to get on to the metro. Now I'm getting on to the metro. I got onto the metro. I'm I'm going to get off at the next stop. Now I'm getting off at the stop. I got off the metro. I'm going to take the lift up to the top. In British English, you say lift. In American English, you say elevator. So, press the button, and now I'm waiting for the lift to arrive. Now I'm going to get into the lift and go up to the top. So I'll press the button, and now I'm in the lift and I'm going upwards. I've just arrived, so now I'm going to get out of the lift. Now I'm getting out of the lift. I got out of the lift. Now I need to get out of the barriers or the gates. So I'm going to put my ticket into the slot and pass through the barriers or the gates. So now I'm putting my ticket into the slot and passing through the barriers. So I put my ticket into the slot and I passed through the barriers. I'm going to walk up the steps to get out of the station. So now I'm walking up the steps to get out of the station. So I walked up the steps to get out of the station. It's a nice sunny day, isn't it?